Hi there! Let's go through a quick overview of how to create a newly purchased instance of Jamf Pro and Jamf Protect with Jamf Account. To start, let's go to account.jamf.com and log in with your Jamf ID that's associated with your products. Once logged in, navigate to Solutions in the sidebar on the left. If you don't see Solutions, reach out to your account team at Jamf or work with the user at your organization who is designated as the Jamf Account Administrator. Here we have a list of our available Jamf products. Find the product you want to create an instance for, such as Jamf Pro, and click View Details. Click the Instances tab, find the newly purchased Jamf Pro instance, and then click Onboard Instance. It's important to note that if you have more than one available product, you can select which products you want to create instances for, but no, you don't have to create all available instances at the same time. In my example, I have a Jamf Pro and Jamf Protect instance available, so I'm selecting both of them. Enter your desired instance name in the field, keeping in mind that if you have selected more than one instance to create, this name will be used for both using separate subdomains. Be sure to verify the instance name carefully. Once the instance name has been set, it cannot be changed. When ready, click Set Tenant Name. Once clicked, the instances are queued for creation. If creation of one or more of your instances fails, it may be due to invalid characters or an instance already existing with that name. In that case, double-check the name to make sure it's valid, and if so, try a different name for the failed instances. After an instance has been created and you can see the name in Jamf Account, it takes approximately 20 minutes for the creation to be finalized. Clicking on the instance name before then results in a 404 or page not found error. If after an hour you're still not able to access your instance, try clearing the cache or using a different browser. For any questions, be sure to reach out to Jamf support for assistance. Thanks for watching.